They've lost part of their hillside here from this recent rain event. When we look at a situation like this, it becomes an emergency. Emergency doesn't mean it has to be done in the next 5 days. Definitely needs to be done soon, because we've got children running around in here. Whenever you have a major cliffing like this, you don't want to stand close to that. It's just going to gradually start working its way back. You also run into a situation where this erosion is going to start undercutting. We've got about, 1.5 feet from the asphalt here where my foot is to where it's already cliffed. That's just going to keep eating its way back, and then you'll end up losing a road. So once I get another body here and a ladder, I'm going to get down in. Usually these boxes have ladders in them, but this was built so long ago there wasn't guidelines like that. This was built in the 70s. Discharge from this box runs right here. Look down in there. Seen some light down in there. All right, I'm gonna try to see if this is aluminum. Nope. So that's metal, corrugated metal. It's not aluminum, which is kind of what I expected. So we're down in. I've got Ed up at the top. He's gone and gotten a water hose. And we're gonna listen for water and look for water coming out of this hill. I hear it. Okay, here comes the water. Look at where it's coming. It's not coming from inside the pipe, it's coming from outside the pipe, which means we've got a disjointed pipe. From the junction box to the curb, you're looking at 76 inches. If we were to take the pipe right off of the edge of where it's already collapsed, you're looking at a 87 when I get right over it. So we probably want to go out a few more inches past that. All right, so I've got the measuring tape sitting at the bottom of the pipe, and you can see it comes up to 97. Bringing that tape up to the top of the pipe. It looks like it's right at 84. So it's 84 right in there. That's at least 12-inch pipe. All right, so as we look at this, we've done a lot of discovering here. We've got measurements on this box, on the pipe. We found the outfall. And here's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to come up with a plan to bring a pipe in under this asphalt without taking up your new asphalt. If I can make my idea work, that will save a bunch of money. We'll come up with a plan for the next step. We'll move accordingly.